How we doing, everybody? It is Larry here again with Leoy Systems, and I want to talk to you guys today about a biomechanics and posture screening. We perform the assessments and analysis for your posture and movements under load to help identify any compensations and also any potential injuries that may occur. These are different than your normal just standing assessments or overhead squat assessments and things like that, because there are fundamental things that could be misinterpreted with those types of movements. But when you add weight or resistance to movements, there's very little gray area. So at Leoy Systems, we pride ourselves in doing an in-depth assessment and analysis of your movements and your posture. So go to the email down below, and you could just shoot me an email, ask any questions you may have, or go to our website. That's going to be linked right here, and you'll be able to take a look at what we do and pretty much what we're going to be looking for. Alrighty? Thank you again for watching. I do hope to see some of you guys in my email asking questions, because that's what we're about, and then hopefully getting your assessments and getting your posture checked so you can have the most efficient and optimal movements and exercises moving forward. Alrighty. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't done so, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we're going to be putting out some educational videos and just starting a discussion on getting everything going. Alrighty? Thank you very much for watching. You guys have yourself a great day.